fans, this as the Hurricane not taking this too seriously.
Oh yeah.
It was at the last, and man, I mean, even taking this matchup is how chance Gino sucks. Quite the staple here at Hurricane Pro. We know on record is saying that she feels that the focus really should be on her and earn some intergender wins on her own right. An eye poke. Oh! The athletics. Man, the leggy killer. Gino sweeping the legs out of frustration. Right to the back of the head. Now Gino. What would it career? Oh! Taking this matchup is an eye poke. Oh! The athletics. Man, the leggy killer Bay. Now Jeff, this crowd is firmly behind our for a reason, but just top rope. God, kick right to the side of the rope, staying in this fight. No! And there's the bitch breaker, and that's enough!